Hey gang, Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. Coming to you with a quick video about vehicles and overheating and why they overheat. So first and foremost, a vehicle should never overheat as long as all systems are operating correctly and perfectly, right? There's so many different scenarios that can be caused by a vehicle overheating. Case in point, this vehicle, the Toyota Prius, actually did come in with an overheating problem, or it came in with a problem. We found out it had overheated. It overheated because the belt that runs the water pump actually broke, causing the vehicle to overheat. This particular vehicle doesn't have a temperature gauge to show you the temperature. It simply has a dummy light, or what we call a dummy light, or a triangle. The reason it's called a dummy light is it literally only comes on if there's a problem. It doesn't necessarily mean you're dumb. It's just what the mechanics call it in the shop. So the belt broke on this one. The triangle came on, indicated it was hot. The customer continued to drive it. The light went off, and in turn, what ended up happening is they actually did some damage to the engine because the vehicle got hotter than it was supposed to get hot. So maybe you're looking at buying a used car or buying a vehicle. One of the things that you can do is you can actually pull the radiator cap off, and if it's cold, don't open it when it's hot. You'll be severely burned. Open it when it's cold. You'll actually see fluid. There's a fluid up to where it's supposed to be at. In this case, this one's low. But if I was to start the car, then you would actually see a lot of air bubbles that would actually be being injected into the radiator and a lot of turbulence. Some vehicles, it's normal for there to be a lot of flow through the radiator. Other vehicles, there's no flow. Some vehicles, if there's a system wrong with the cooling system, then all that exhaust and all that different pressures are actually pushed into the radiator, causing the radiator to overflow with coolant if it was to sit here and run. So if in doubt, if a car has a pre-existing problem or something and you don't know exactly how to check it, you can always take it to your mechanic for a pre-purchase vehicle inspection. Let them know your thoughts, let them know your concerns, have them check it out. See if they can isolate the issue, make sure it's a good vehicle before you purchase it. Most customers or most sellers will understand a pre-purchase inspection is generally about $200. It's money well spent versus buying something that's already got problems. So if the customer is to proceed with the repairs, it would look like doing a head job on this vehicle in order to get it back in the running condition. That's going to be a few $1,000s to get that all handled, and it's going to take a little bit of time to get it handled. So a little bit about overheating. I'll see you in the next overheating video.